हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन फोरियर सीरीज विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इन इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स। Fourier series is an infinite series of periodic function in term of sine and cosine. For given any periodic function, we can have one infinite series in term of sine and cosine. In many engineering problems, especially in the study of periodic function, it is necessary to express a function in a series of sine and cosine, that is the Fourier series. Now let me write the Fourier series of a given function. So f of x is the given function on the interval minus L to plus L. So this f is the periodic function in the interval minus L to plus L. So we can have Fourier series f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by L, where n vary from 1 to infinity, plus summation n vary from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where this a0, an and bn are Fourier coefficient that we can get from the Euler formula. So a0 equal to, we have 1 by L minus L2 plus L f of x dx, and an equal to 1 by L minus L2 plus L f of x cos n pi x by L, and bn equal to, bn we can have 1 by L minus L2 plus L f of x and sin n pi x by L dx. So this is the expression for a0, an and bn. This a0, an, bn are called Fourier coefficient, and the formula for a0, an, bn are called Euler formula. Now if your interval is from minus pi to plus pi, so fx is defined on minus pi to plus pi, then your Fourier series will be a0 f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n vary from 1 to infinity an cos nx. In the place of pi we will have the L plus summation n vary from 1 to infinity b1 sin nx. So this is the Fourier series, and a0 is defined by 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x dx, an equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx, and bn equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So this is the Fourier series when your interval is from minus pi to plus pi. Now let us see that Fourier series of even and odd function. So first let us define what is the even function and odd function. So if f of minus x equal to f of x, so this is the even function, and f of minus x equal to minus of f of x means odd function. Okay, now we have one important result for the integration minus L to L f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to L f of x dx when f is even function, and this is the 0 when f is odd function. And product of one more result we have, product of even function into even function will be even function, and product of odd function and product of odd function will be even function, and product of odd function into even function will be odd function. So now let us see the Fourier series of even and odd function. Now if f is even function, let us have f of x is even function. So your a0 will be 1 by L minus L2 plus L f of x dx. So this will be 2 by L 0 to L f of x dx. This is your a0, and an equal to 1 by L minus L to L f of x and cos n pi x by L dx. So this will be 2 by L. So here f is even function and cos is also even function, so even into even function, so 2 by L 0 to L f of x and cos n pi x by L dx. Now bn equal to 1 by L minus L to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. So f is even function, sin is odd function, so this is the odd function, so this will be 0. So when f is even function, bn is 0. So we have only a0 and an. So an is the term coefficient which associated with the sine term. So this is called the cosine series. So whenever f is even function, so we get the cosine series. Now if f is odd function, so a0 will be 1 by L minus L2 plus f of x equal to 0. So this will be 0, and an will be 1 by L minus L to L f of x and cos n pi x by L dx. So f is odd function, cos is even function, so this is odd function, so this will be 0. And now bn equal to 1 by L minus L2 plus f of x sin n pi x by L dx. So f is odd function and sin is odd function, so this is the even function, so 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. So when f is odd function, so a0, an is 0 and bn is non-zero, so this is the sine series. So when we have f is odd function, we get the sine series, and f is even function, we get the cosine series. Let us try to solve one problem based on the Fourier series. So find Fourier series of x minus x square on minus pi to plus pi, and this is the series is given. So let us find the a0. So a0 equal to, an interval is minus pi to plus pi, so 1 by pi minus pi to pi, and f of x dx. So this will be 1 by pi minus pi to pi x minus x square dx. So this integration will be 1 by pi and x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus pi to plus pi. So if you simplify, so we get minus 2 pi square by 3. So this is your a0 equal to minus 2 pi square by 3. Let us find the an now. So an equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi x minus x square and cos nx dx. So now this is the integration by parts. So now let me write the generalized form of integration by parts. ub dx equal to u into b1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus dot dot dot. So here u dash is the differentiation of u, and v2 is the v1 is the integration of v, v2 is the integration of v1, v3 is the integration of v2 dot dot dot. So this u will be polynomial, so it will be eliminate after few terms. Suppose x square means u equal to x square means x square 2x 2 and next term will be 0. So it will be eliminate after few terms. So here u equal to x minus x square. So we can have 1 by pi u x minus x square and integration of cos nx. So that will be sin nx by n minus 1 minus 2x and minus cos nx by n square plus minus 2 into minus sin nx by n cube minus pi to plus pi. So whenever we have this minus pi to plus pi, so the sin term will be 0 because sin pi and sin minus pi both are 0, upper limit minus lower limit. So now we have the term 1 by pi and you multiply, it will become positive. So 1 minus 2x and cos nx by n square minus pi to plus pi. So if you substitute the limit, so we get 1 by pi, upper limit will be 1 minus 2 pi and n square we can take common. So 1 minus 2 pi cos n pi minus 1 plus 2 pi and cos n pi. So now this cos n pi minus 0, so we get here minus 4 pi cos n pi by n square pi. Pi cancel, so finally we get minus 4 minus 1 power 1 by n square. So we have bn equal to minus 4 minus power n by n square. So this is the an, this is the an. So a1 equal to 4 by 1 square, a2 equal to minus 4 by 2 square, a3 equal to 4 by 3 square dot dot dot. So this is your a coefficient. Let us try to find that b coefficient. So bn equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi x minus x square and sin nx dx. So this will be integration by parts again, 1 by pi. So u v1 is minus cos nx by n minus 1 minus 2x and minus sin nx by n square plus minus 2 and plus cos nx by n cube. Now this is the minus pi to plus pi. So this sin term will be 0 and here 2 by n cube is the constant. So cos pi cos minus pi both are same, so this will be 0. So we get bn equal to minus 1 upon n pi and upper limit x minus x square cos nx minus pi to plus pi. So if you take the upper limit, so we get n pi. So we get upper limit with the pi minus pi square and cos n pi minus pi square cos n pi. So now minus 1 by n pi, and this pi will be added, pi square will be cancelled, so 2 pi cos n pi. So finally your Bn will be minus 2 by n minus 1 power n. So we can have B1 equal to 2, B2 equal to minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1, B3 we can have 2 by 3, and B4 dot 4, like that we can have. So once you get this A1, A0, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, B4 dot dot dot, so we can write the Fourier series. So after putting that A0, A1, A2, A3, An, B1, B2, B3, so your Fourier series will be x minus x square equal to minus pi square plus 3 plus 4 and cos x by 1 minus cos 2x by 2 square plus cos 3x by dot 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 plus 2 sin x by 1 minus sin x by 2 plus sin 3x by 3 minus dot dot dot. So this is the Fourier series. Now we have to find that sum of 1 by n square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square. So we put x equal to 0, so this term will be 0, then left hand side is 0, so 0 equal to minus pi square by 3 plus 4, and this will be 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus dot dot dot. So now the sum of series will be 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square equal to pi square by 12. So this is your answer. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.